And now to reveal our grand prize winner, I now welcome to the podium our longtime partner and Startup Space Director, Rafferty Jackson of Jack Industries. Rafferty?
Thank you, Jeffrey. So Jeffrey is a founder. He is the founder of the Startup Space Entrepreneur Pitch Competition 9 years ago. And what was just an idea is now the entry point into our industry for startups and folks who are bringing their expertise from outside the industry to solve our hard problems. He took an idea, made it an entry point, and now we have alumni who are IPO successful, have investments, created jobs, solved hard problems, and are also nominees at today's event. I would like to thank Caleb Williams of DataPig. He brings his data scientist expertise to the financial strategy and go-to-market for these startups. As you can imagine, he brings the industry's expertise to give them confidence to be able to make projections about what the future will be standing in front of our industry. He is also a founder, and he makes sure our competition is flawless. Lastly, let me thank our world-class investors who are our judges. Lockheed Martin Ventures, Stellar Ventures, Mac Ventures, Seraphim Space, DCVC, Starbridge Ventures, and OpAmp Capital. In any established company, there are only a few people who could do a 5-minute pitch about that enterprise because it requires you to cover the entire enterprise. The customer problem, the company solution, the go-to-market strategy. How are you going to sell this thing? Then you have to figure out the opportunity. How big is the opportunity? How much money could be made? How big is this problem? Then you have to build a team. You have to figure out what the experts are that you will need to make sure that this company is successful, plus all the funding. How are you going to get the company up? How are you going to get it funded? And how are you going to get it going? That Herculean task is what all of our founders did expertly yesterday. They also, on stage, faced live fire from our VC experts who know a lot more than those startups know at that moment in time. VCs and investors sit on asymmetric information, piles of data, what has succeeded, what has failed, and what's next. I hope you take inspiration from these founders. A big idea can get transferred in 5 minutes with business storytelling. I also hope you understand the task of pitching a startup is infinitely more difficult than any of our founders made it look. They have all that knowledge in their minds and at their fingertips. With that, I'd like to announce the grand prize winner of the 2025 Startup Space Entrepreneur Pitch Competition, Dr. Femi Ishola of Phemotron Systems.